Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cash App to bank account. To get started, the first thing we need to do is make sure that you actually have a bank or debit card attached to your Cash App profile. To do this, tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. In this next menu, you'll see the option Linked Banks under the Account and Settings section. Tap on this. If you have any accounts already attached to your Cash App, they will be listed here. If this is the first time you're doing this, the menu will be blank. To connect your bank account, tap Link Bank. On the next screen, Cash App will inform you that it uses Plaid for secure connections. Plaid allows the transfer of money between your bank and Cash App, ensures you have enough money for purchases, and helps prevent fraud. Tap Continue at the bottom, then search for and select your bank on the following screen. Follow the steps to log in and authenticate your bank account. Once you confirm your bank details, it will appear in the Linked Accounts section. Now that your bank is linked, we can proceed with transferring your Cash App balance. Go back to the main Cash App screen and tap the Money tab, which is the first icon on the bottom menu bar. Here, at the top, you'll see your Cash App balance and the option to Cash Out. Tap on Cash Out. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to choose the amount you want to transfer. Use the slider to select the amount, then hit Cash Out at the bottom. Next, you'll be given two options: Standard, which is free but takes a few days, or Instant, which charges a small fee. For example, in my case, it's a 25-cent fee for instant transfer. Make your choice. If you haven't yet linked a bank account, you'll be prompted to do so now. If you have more than one bank linked, you'll be asked to select which one you want to transfer to. Once you've made your selection, your money will be scheduled for transfer or instantly deposited into your bank account. And that's how you transfer money from your Cash App balance to your bank account. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.